Hey everyone, this is SD Parmar and you all are welcome back to DCC, the world of biology, and I am here to talk with you regarding genetic alteration. So let us start with a very interesting topic, gene alteration. What is this gene alteration? So to study this thing, first of all we will have to discuss something about our genome. What is our genome? Genome means set of all genes. And what is the set of all genes? That is our DNA. DNA. So this DNA, that is dsDNA, means double stranded DNA, or we also call it double helical DNA. This double helical DNA, the two strands we can see, one blue black and the other one blue black. These two strands are there, and this all strand or the ribbon like structure is actually having this kind of infrastructure composition. These beads like structure are codons. Codons are of amino acids and they are always in triplet. This we always study in triplet, means group of three codons. Always we study them, always we read them. Like we know that our DNA is having base pairs of A, T, G, C, and the 10 base pairs make 1 ton, which is having size of 2.5 angstrom, 3.4 angstrom, and this is the minor group, this is major group. The distance between these two helix is 2.5 angstrom, and this DNA is responsible for exhibiting some expressions in our body. Now which kind of expression? All our phenotypic expressions. So what are the phenotype? Phenotype is physical characters. So this genome here, what I have terminated, these beads would be continuing this way, and this which is gene or a codon are having their location like this, and we know that this structure is called a chromosome. This is a chromosome. In chromosome, this one is centromere. These all four are called tetrads, chromatin fibers, or this chromosome is having loci. Loci means, see, again I will draw it here. The chromosome, the specific site over where the gene, copy of genes, means alleles. Where should I write? Here I will write. The copy of genes is called alleles. The chromosomes are having one specific site for the genes to be situated over there, and the place over where the alleles are seated, then this site we call loci, means location site for gene or allele. Okay, so what happens, as we know that we have 23 pairs of chromosome. 23 pairs, that means 23 into 2, 46 chromosomes we have, in which these 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pairs are autosomal chromosomes, whether one pair means 2 chromosomes are for sex linked expressions, means sex linked chromosomes. They could be XX for female and XY For male, this Y genome is specially, Y chromosome sorry, is specially for the expression of the male gonads. My another channel, Let's Biofy, is there, over where I had explained everything regarding Y gene. So Y chromosome, you can check it out there also, that why males are having specially this Y chromosome for male characters. So let us continue with our topic only. This chromosome is having loci over where the gene situate for this autosomal characteristics, means physical characters और phenotypic characters और morphological character, जैसे कि हो गया हमारा बालों का कलर, हमारी आँखों का कलर, हमारी जो hair and eyes are always having the same color because the alleles of eye color and hair color are always having loci at the same chromosome, and this is the reason both are having of the same chromosome, but not for all male. On all human being, किसी किसी में बहुत रेयरली पर among I think so 1 million people 1 person should be there who is having different eye and hair color. पर ये चीज़ हम लोग डिटेल में कब डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट लेट मी फिनिश द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द टॉपिक, द जीन अल्टरेशन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट क्रोमोसोम इज हैविंग दिस लोसाई and this all genome genes making genome the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which is our inherited molecule, hereditary molecule, which is responsible for transferring characteristics from parents to progeny. So as I told you that it is always studied in triplets, codons, amino acids are always in codon, triplets, और उनके ऑपोजिट में होते हैं एंटी कोडोन. तो ये जो कोडोन है, अगर सपोज मैं ऐसे लिखती हूँ ATGC TAG anything, so suppose I have one codon ATG, and due to any reason, because of any reason, my A is deleted from here and this space is empty, then what will happen? Or due to any reason, in a place of A some another codon has come, G or C or T, anything, or sometimes one extra codon has come and situated over there. So in this condition this triplet would be modified, but it is modification is called alteration, because we need the triplet codon, not the tetracodon or dicodon. मोनो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो ये जो alteration हो रहा है, that is called the gene alteration, and the specific word which is used for gene alteration is called mutation. And this mutation is of two types, either genetic mutation or chromosomal mutation. So due to this kind of genetic alteration or chromosomal alteration, some genetic diseases persons are getting, genetic disease are there, which is called the mutated diseases or mutation we call it, because of so many different reasons, like some physical mutant are there, biological mutants are there, or mutagenic agents who are responsible for this alteration in our DNA. They lead to this kind of alteration, error in our DNA, which lead to genetic diseases. So these all things we will discuss in this chapter, mutation. Like suppose the mutation is of so many types, like one, if I tell you, first one is a point mutation. Suppose we discuss the first mutation, point mutation. Like mutation has been classified into so many different ways on the basis of the mutagenic agent, biological mutations, physical mutation. एक मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, like point mutation. Everything we will discuss in detail. Point mutation could be of deletion type, insertion type, substitution, या तो ट्रांजिशन भी हो सकता है. अगर कोई एक कोडॉन डिलीट हो गया, दैट इज डिलीशन. इफ समथिंग मोर हैज बीन इंसर्ट हो गया, जिसको डिलीट किया था उसको कोई और सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहा है, जैसे जी को निकाल के ए इज ओवर देयर, ए आ जाता है तो वो सब्सटीट्यूशन हो गया, ट्रांजिशन, अपना प्लेस चेंज कर लेते हैं. दिस इज कमिंग हियर एंड दिस वन इज कमिंग हियर. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ म्यूटेशन विच इज हैपनिंग इन ओनली वन जीन, ट्रिपलेट कोडन में से किसी एक ही अमीनो एसिड को वो अगर अल्टर करता है, एरर क्रिएट करता है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द पॉइंट म्यूटेशन. दिस वे सो मैनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ म्यूटेशंस विच विल टॉक इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.